I, Dr. Vijay Kumar Singh, welcome you again in Lal Money Educator. Please subscribe our channel, share our videos, like our videos, and if you have any problem, any queries, you can leave your queries in the comment section. We will reply. Today we will study about printing the pyramid using the for loop. Now let's see what is the pyramid. This is the pyramid. This is the shape of pyramid which is printed with the help of asterisk. This pyramid will be printed on the screen, and in every line the number of asterisks will be increases with 1, and the first one is printed left some space values at the left side like this. The first asterisk in the first line is printed here. It left 3 space values. In the second line it left 2 space values. So it is not a fixed space values. It is depending upon how many lines you will use to print. Here we are displaying 4 lines to print the asterisk. So if it is total number of lines 4, the first line space values will be 3. If it will be 5 lines, then here we left 5 space. So on. In the first line 3 space, second line 2 space, third line 1 space, and fourth line no space. So we print in this format. So we need to use 3 loops. The first loop is used to print the space and asterisk, space and asterisk, space and asterisk, and space and asterisk. So the first loop is used for the line numbers. For first line we use 2 inner loops. First inner loop is used to print a space, second is used to print asterisk. Here this is the first loop. Within this loop we used 2 loops. This first loop is used for printing a space, and this loop is used for printing asterisks, and this is the statement to change the line number. Now this loop is started from 1. The value of x is 1, so this loop for a space is used. It is started from 1 and it will ends at 4. Here it ends at 4. Why? Because total number of lines will be 5. A is 1. For 1 it prints the first space. Now a plus plus, the value of a is 2 and it prints second space. Now a plus plus, the value of a is 3 and it prints third space. Now a plus plus and the value of a is 4 and it prints fourth space. Then a is incremented and value of a is 5 and this loop will be terminated. Now this loop is started. Here the value of y is 1 and it is ends at x. This is also 1, so it will execute here only for 1 times and it print a single asterisk. Now this loop terminates and the system.out.println statement change the line number and the printing cursor goes in this line. Now the value of x is incremented and it will be 2. So the a started from 2. X is 2 and this loop is started from 2. And for 2 it prints 1 space. Now it incremented and it is 3 and for 3 it prints second space, and now it also incremented and it is 4 and it prints the third space. After that this loop will be terminated and this loop started from 1 and ends at x, that is 2. It means it will execute for 2 times and it prints 2 asterisks. Here we use a space. Why? Look here. The first, for value 1 it prints 1 asterisk, and here we also want a space value, so that's why here we used a space value. This space is used for space between asterisks. Now y plus plus, the value of y is 2 and it prints the second asterisk here. Now the y plus plus incremented and the value of y will be 3 and loop will be terminated because x is 2. Then after this statement will execute and printing cursor goes to the next line here. Now x is 3 and for the 3 this loop is started from 3 and ends at 4. It means it will execute for 2 times. For 3 it will print first space and for 4 it will print second space here. After that this will be terminated and this loop started from 1 and ends at 3. It means it will print 3 asterisks. For 1 it will print first asterisk and a space value. For 2 1 asterisk and a space value. For 3 1 asterisk and a space value. After that the value of y will be 4 and the loop will be terminated. Now this statement will execute and printing cursor goes into the next line here. Now x is 4. For the 4 this loop will execute from 4 to 4 one time and it prints a single space. Look here. After that this will be terminated and this loop will be started and it will started from 1 and ends at 4. It means it will execute 4 times and it will print 4 asterisks and a space value. Now y incremented and the value of y will be 5 and the loop terminates. This statement execute and printing cursor goes in this line. And now x incremented and the value of x is 5. Here a assigned x, so a initialized with 5 but the condition is 4, so it loop will does not execute. Now this loop will started from 1 and ends at 5. It will execute for 5 times and prints 5 asterisks for 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now this is completed. Okay, this is the complete program. You may download this program from the comment section. I will upload given the link. You can download this PPT. If you like this, you can subscribe our channel and like our videos. Thank you.